Hi, thank you so much for clicking on this video. This is my 2-bedroom at Tanglewood Apartments, located at 2801 Slide Road. Now this is the living room. Right over here you have your patio. Very spacious living room, front door, coat closet. This way you have your kitchen. Comes with the dishwasher, fridge, and a stove. You also have your dining area right here. And 2 pantry closets. This one. Here's 2. And over here is your hallway to both of your bedrooms, which they're both the same size. This unit is 850 square feet. So the bedrooms are the same size. Here's your closet. Here is the other bedroom. Closet. And here is your normal standard bathroom. And your towel closet. If you are interested in this unit, it is $700 a month. Deposit is $300. Please give me a call to 806-799-8274. You can also apply online at www.minnixproperties.com. Hope to hear from you. Thank you.